Hello student, myself Ajay Gupta and welcome you in Math Lecture 4. Student, in this lecture we will learn to represent the rational number on the given number line. In this section we represent the rational numbers on a number line. Before starting this, first we should know about the number line. And this is a number line and this is the midpoint called starting from 0. If we move in the right side, increasing the number, and this is the positively integers +1, +2, +3, etc. And if we move toward the left side from this point, midpoint, we get the decreasing number -1, -2, etc. This is the number line. Now how we can represent the rationals number on the given number line? First we check their numerator. There are two types of rational numbers. First, rational number which have numerator is less than denominator. For example, 1/2, 2/3, 4/7, etc. This is called, in this the numerator is less than their denominator. And second type, in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. For example, 3/2, 7/4, 5/2, etc. In this, the numerator is greater than their denominator. Okay, so first we will learn the first type of rational number on the number line. Here, let's take an example: 1/2 and -1/2. 1/2 and -1/2. These are the corresponding number. For example, in this number line, 1 and -1, these numbers are called corresponding number. 2 and -2 is called corresponding number. Similarly, -3, +3, and 1/2, -1/2. So these are the corresponding. In this we represent both on the number line. So first we draw a number line and mark 1 in the fixed distance. We remember it should be at a fixed distance. This is -1. Why we take 1 and -1? Because these numbers, this type of number, first, this type of number belonging to 0 to 1. These numbers belonging to 0 to 1. So for this type of rational number representation, we take only 0 to 1. 0 to 1. And now we check the denominator. In the denominator, it has two parts. So we divide this in two parts, two equal parts. From here, this is one part and this is the second part. So this is your number 1/2. Similarly, this is first part and this is the second part. So this is your 1/2. sorry, minus 1 by 2. This is the process of representation of number. You can represent this, you can represent any other number such as 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. You can represent this easily. Look at their denominator. Denominator is 3, so we divide this in 3 equal parts. Draw a number line. This is 0, 1, minus 1. We divide this in 3 equal parts because their denominator is 3. So one parts, 2 parts, and this is 3 parts. Two by 3. This is the first part. This is 1 by 3. This is the second part. So this is 2 by 3. Okay. Similarly, this is the first part. It is minus 1 by 3. This is second part. So this is minus 2 by 3. I hope you understood this. So take a homework. Similarly, trying to solve this. Represent the given rationals on number line. 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 5, minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 5. Thank you for solving.